When buying a home, ensuring its quality is crucial to avoid costly repairs and ensure long-term comfort. Here are some key tips to consider. 1. Structural integrity. Check for cracks in the walls or foundation, especially large or growing cracks. Look at the roof condition. Missing shingles or sagging areas may indicate leaks. Inspect the floors for unevenness, which may suggest foundation issues. 2. Plumbing system. Test water pressure in showers and sinks. Look for leaks under sinks and around toilets. Check if the water heater is in good condition and large enough for your needs. 3. Electrical system. Make sure outlets and switches work properly. Check the electrical panel. An outdated one may need an upgrade. Look for exposed or old wiring, which can be a fire hazard. 4. Roofing and insulation. A well-maintained roof should last 20 to 30 years. Ask about its age. Check attic insulation. Poor insulation means higher energy bills. Look for signs of leaks or water damage on ceilings. 5. HVAC heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Test the air conditioning and heating systems. Ask when the HVAC system was last serviced. Poor ventilation can cause mold and moisture problems. 6. Windows and doors. Check for drafts around windows and doors can increase energy bills. Ensure windows open and close smoothly. Look for any rotting or water damage around frames. 7. Pest and mold inspection. Look for signs of termites or rodents, especially in basements or attics. Check for mold or mildew smells, especially in bathrooms and basements. Ask for a professional pest inspection if unsure. 8. Water drainage and exterior. Ensure gutters and downspouts direct water away from the house. Check the yard slope. It should drain water away, not towards the foundation. Look at the condition of the driveway and sidewalks for cracks or sinking areas. 9. Kitchen and appliances. Test all appliances if they're included in the sale. Check for leaks under the sink and signs of water damage. Look for outdated cabinets or countertops that may need replacing. 10. Age of major components. Ask about the age of the roof, HVAC, water heater, and plumbing, electrical systems. Older systems may require expensive repairs or replacements soon. 11. History of repairs and renovations. Ask if the house has had major repairs or renovations and ensure they were done professionally. Request a disclosure statement from the seller about past issues. 12. Professional inspection. Always hire a certified home inspector before buying. They will provide a detailed report on any issues with the house. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and share